Welcome everyone. Let's see the answers for the previous session, okay, that is exercise number 4. So the question was, the girl is playing with doll, okay. So the girl is playing with a doll. She should give me 100 rupees. Answer will be, she should give me 100 rupees. So we are talking only about 100 rupees. So instead of telling 100 rupees, we can say 100 rupees. R has 60 minutes. Here you can see an hour has 60 minutes. Next is, there is little water in the pond. Answer will be, there is a little water in the pond. She is cute girl. So she is a cute girl. I have lot of money in my bank. I have a lot of money in my bank. Day has 24 hours. Answer enirutte, a day has. Okay, here also a represents one day. She is amazing player. She is an amazing player. What nice car. What a nice car. Then he is nice man. So we are here telling again, he is a nice man. In this session we are going to see when we should not use an article. So ಎಲ್ಲದಕ್ಕೆ the, an ಅಂತ ಬರಲ್ಲ. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕಡೆ articles, ಯಾವ articles use ಆಗಲ್ಲ. So where we are not going to use, let's see those. So when talked about plural noun, okay, when we are talking about something plural, okay, ಬಹುವಚನದಲ್ಲಿದ್ದಾಗ, ಬಹುವಚನದಲ್ಲಿ nouns ಇದ್ದಾಗ, we don't use articles. Say for example, boys like blue color. So here boys are general. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ, ಬಾಯ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಜನರಲ್ ಇದೆ and they are plural in nature. Okay, so in such case we are not using any article. Another example may be girls like pink. So here also girls plural ಇದೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಯಾವುದು article ಬರಲ್ಲ. Another one, the girls in my college like to play volleyball. ಇಲ್ಲಿ the ಯಾಕೆ ಬಂತಂದ್ರೆ, because we are talking about particular girls of my college. ನನ್ನ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಹುಡುಗಿಯರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಾನು ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಜನರಲ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, ಹಿಯರ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಸ್ಪೆಸಿಫಿಕ್, ಸೊ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ದ ಅಂತ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಯು ಸಿ ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್? ಇದು ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸ್. ಮೇಲೆ ಪ್ಲೂರಲ್ ಇದೆ, ಜನರಲ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಸೊ ವಿ ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ಎನಿ ಆರ್ಟಿಕಲ್. ವೇರ್ ಆಸ್ ಡೌನ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ example we are seeing that we are talking about a particular college girls. Okay, so when you are specific, you already know it is a general rule that if you are talking anything specific, the is used. Okay, then next one is, next where we should not use is when you are talking about uncountable nouns. So example is, water scarcity is a major problem in India. So in few instances we had seen that water, ಮುಂಚೆ ನಾವು ದ ವಾಟರ್ ಅಂತ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ, ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗ್ತಿದೆ, ವಾಟರ್ ಸ್ಕ್ಯಾರ್ಸಿಟಿ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಮೇಜರ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇನ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ. ಸೊ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ ಸಮ್ ಅದರ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಬಟ್ ನಾಟ್ ಇನ್ ಫ್ರಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದ water. So it is an uncountable noun, whereas in the second sentence we can see that the water scarcity in my locality is a problem. Okay, see here the difference is, ನನ್ನ ಲೊಕ್ಯಾಲಿಟಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂದರೆ ನನ್ನ ಏರಿಯಾದಲ್ಲಿ ನೀರು ಬರ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ನುವಾಗ, ವೆನ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಸ್ಪೆಸಿಫಿಕಲಿ ಟೆಲ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಇನ್ ಮೈ ಲೊಕ್ಯಾಲಿಟಿ ವಾಟರ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಕಮಿಂಗ್, ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಯೂಸ್ ದ. ಇಫ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್ ಸ್ಪೆಸಿಫಿಕ್, ಇಫ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಜನರಲಿ ಟಾಕಿಂಗ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಅನ್ ಅನ್ಕೌಂಟೇಬಲ್ ನೌನ್, ಯಾವ ಆರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ಲು ಬರಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ದ ವಾಟರ್ ಸ್ಕೇರ್ಸಿಟಿ ಇನ್ ಮೈ ಲೊಕ್ಯಾಲಿಟಿ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ಸೊ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬರಲ್ಲ, ದೇರ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ವಾಟರ್ ಸ್ಕೇರ್ಸಿಟಿ ಇನ್ ಮೈ ಲೊಕ್ಯಾಲಿಟಿ. So water is uncountable as you all know, so there is a anta illi baralla. So the third sentence is wrong, but the first two sentences are correct. The next thing is, when we are talking about any real noun, say for example name of place, name of people, okay, or places, we are not using any articles. So example is, she wants to visit the Denmark. So here the is not necessary. Okay, ಯಾಕಂದರೆ she wants to visit Denmark is what ಅಂದರೆ Denmark is a real noun and there is no need to use article there. The next one is she talks to the Akshay for articles. Andre Akshay is a real noun. He is a person, okay, the name of a person. So here what we are doing is she talks to Akshay for articles. So this is all about the articles, okay. Next we have the exercise number 5. So let me tell you that I have given this exercise with all the ರೂಲ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಆರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ಸ್, ಇಂಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್, ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್, ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಆರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ಹಾಕಬಾರ್ದು ಎಲ್ಲ ರೂಲ್ಸ್ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ನಾಟ್ ಗಿವ್ ಯು ದ ಆನ್ಸರ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ದಿಸ್. ಯು ನೀಡ್ ಟು ಫೈಂಡ್ ದ ಆನ್ಸರ್ಸ್ ಯುವರ್ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್ looking at the rules which have been taught in the previous session. So the questions here are: I want apple from that basket. Church on the corner is progressive. Miss Lin speaks Chinese. I borrowed pencil from your pile of pencils and pens. One of the students said, Professor is late today. He returned after hour. Sun shines brightly. Lion is king of beasts. You are fool to say that. French is easy language. Man is mortal. I am university student. She goes to the temple in mornings. Camel is the ship of the desert. Harishchandra was honest king. Neha is best student in the class. I don't like dogs, but I like my brother's dog. She wants to become engineer. I saw one-eyed person. My sister will come in day or two. So thank you very much and have a nice time ahead.